If laws have taken advantage of you, it's time to rise and be the person that God have created you to be. And you know what no one tells you about laws is that it feels like freedom, but the truth is, it is actually a trap, a hidden trap that is designed to kill you and slowly take away your purpose, disconnect you from God, and leave you empty. I don't know whether I have expressed this, discussed with some people, and after talking to them, you feel like something has been taken away from you. That is exactly how laws operate. It slowly kills your power, and if you keep feeling it, it keeps depleting you. I did not know because this thing happens subconsciously. But let me ask you this. What if you decide on your own for the next 30 days that you're going to turn your back to lust and let purpose take over your life? What will happen? So if I maybe be asking, how do I know this? I know because I was there. It's an experience. Here's the truth I want you to know about lust. If you have been thinking that it's all about your physical desire, you're confused. Lust is a pure distraction. It's designed to slowly pull your mind, pull you out to fantasies. Where deep down you always know that you are designed for something more. There's spontaneity in you, there's dream. You always want to do this thing, but you cannot do it again because you are trapped in lust. You are trapped. Do you know the worst part? That is even like when do you know that it is normalizing in the society? People are beginning to normalize it. Have you experienced this? You are struggling, you go to your friend or that person, think that he will help you or she will help you, and then, I'm struggling, please can you help me on this? They will just laugh at you, and after that they'll tell you that it is normal, that's what makes you human being, that everybody's doing it, everybody's watching it, everybody's doing it. But it is not normal. Anything that takes away your purpose and disconnect you from God is no longer normal. It is normal to them because they have been blinded in their mind. But God still loves you. He still have an advantage to recognize that this is not you. And the main agenda of lust is to leave you meaningless. But let me ask you this. What if you choose to let purpose take over your life? Do you think your life will remain like this? I am a testimony. Your life will never remain like this. If purpose comes to your life, you follow your purpose, you see that your life will change. Everything about you change. You see that you'll be transformed and awakened because that God have created you to follow your purpose. And that maybe that fire or what that was pushing you to loss will be converted to purpose. You see that vision comes, you see that clarity comes, you see that power, you see that peace comes, and your life will change. I'm telling you, this is truth. So I'm giving this 30 days challenge right now. Say no to lust, whatever that means to you. Whether it's just scrolling for stimulation, whether it's fantasies. Say no to feeding your lower nature because lust is the lower nature. You are designed to act to grow. If you watch deep in your life, you know that God has created you with a lot of provision, creative power, strength. Say yes to create, to build, and become that person that you have desiring to be. Unleash your potential, unlock it. Yes, because you are created for something more here. Let me tell you the truth. I'm not going to be the person to fix you. You are the one. It is in your hand right now to fix yourself. Nobody is coming to help you. You decide to change. You decide to be the person that God have created you to be. And let me tell you this. If you really want to decide to change, do this. Bring a book. Write, I choose purpose. Post it, like place it where when you wake up in the morning, you see it. You want to go to bed, you see it. Let me tell you, 1 week is going to trigger something in you and will never be the same. You start taking action, you start making progress in life. Understand this. God have never created you here to be bound or chained or to be tied with your urges or be struggling. God created you here for a life of power, life of clarity. He said that He wants you to be the first and not the last. You think that is just messy? No, it is supernatural and powerful. That is how you should be seeing yourself. So know this. You don't need more willpower. You just need more reason, and that reason is to follow your purpose. So, brothers and sisters, loss is a trap, and the way out is to embrace who God called you to be. That's the way out. So if this message is spoken to you, let me repeat it again. Write, I choose purpose. Paste it when you wake up in the morning. You see, just let your eyes be seeing it, and you see how everything about you change. Yes. So this message is not a mistake. You are not coming across it by mistake. It's a divine time. This is time for you to change. Whenever change will come in your life, you still need something that will help you to change. That is it. So do this and see how your life will change. Remember, nobody is coming to save you. Nobody. See, there will not be any time where it will come and loss will just be like, let's have this, let's leave this person. No, if you don't win your battle will win you. But decide to win your battle, because God is here to support you. He's here to help you out. So thank you for watching this video. This is Rebranded Man. Here we talk about faith and personal transformation. Be part of this channel and subscribe so that you get more of my video. Thank you, love you, and but God loves you more. But remember, stay safe.